Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, another video. This one is to do with this makeup look, especially on the eyes. I'm gonna do a voiceover just because there's a bit of noise in the background. My daughter's watching TV and whatnot, so it was just, I don't know what's happening there. It'll be a little bit easier, you know, and whatnot. But also the base, like the foundation and eyebrows and all of that, I am going just to time lapse it because I mean it's pretty much the same thing as every other person. But I do enjoy watching people put on foundation. I don't know, there's like a satisfaction of having like flawless skin, so I will add it in. But like I said, time lapse. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So we're using the Jacklyn Hill palette and we're using the color Pukey in the socket of the eye, just with a little Zoeva blending fluffy brush. I will say one thing, this is my favorite color of the whole palette and I use it all the time. Literally every time I use this palette, that's the first color I use. Sometimes it's the only color I use. So love it, it's like the perfect shade. And we're just doing the other side of the eye as well, just blending that out. Make sure it's all nice. Next up, we're using the color Puta. I get really confused with the names. And we're just putting a little bit more into the socket of the eye just to deepen it just a tad. Then we're going with the color and light, and I'm putting that all over the eyelid because it's the base before we put the bold mustard color on top. I think next time I would prefer to use concealer to crease my eye because I found this wasn't hard to work with, but I think the concealer would just be a lot quicker and the color would be even more bright. But I mean, in the end, I still really liked how it turned out. So we're going with Creamsicle. Really like this color. I don't even like yellow, but for some weird reason I really like this color. Yellow always washes me out, but this one doesn't. It could be the undertones and whatnot. So yeah, I actually really like how this look turned out, so love it. I just quickened up a little bit because you get the gist of it, you know, packing the eyeshadow onto the eyelid. Self-explanatory. And then I just got a clean brush just to like fluff out the edges a little bit. You know what I mean? And then I tried to pack a little bit more eyeshadow with my finger. But yeah. Then we're using the color Beam to highlight just underneath my brows, which that beams hella good. Totally recommend it. Next up we have mascara. I think it's like Greatest Lash by Maybelline, if I'm not mistaken. Doesn't matter what mascara you use because we're going to wear lashes. But if you decide not to wear lashes, go for a really good mascara. This one's alright. Does the job for now. It's too new. I like when they dry up a little bit and I find that mascaras apply a little bit better. So the lashes I'll be using are the Kiss lashes. And while the glue dries a little bit, just added a bit more, I think it's butter on the bottom. Just to add a little bit more dimension to the eyes. Next up, we're just putting the lashes on. I do one eye with tweezers and I somehow put the other eyelash on with my fingers. It just seems to work that way. But oh, and using Duo lash glue in clear. Can't use the black yet because I'm not that confident. While the glue dries, we're moving on to the face. So I'm just using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Really like it because it has no shimmer whatsoever and it doesn't emphasize my skin texture because I had a lot of breakouts lately thanks to contraception. So yeah, really like I really like the bronzer and I really like the color. I literally use it all over, under the face to take some kilos off. I use it as well to contour my nose. Sorry. I'm just using like a little Duo fiber brush. I don't really try to make my nose too contoured because sometimes it can get a little dirty. But this is alright. I'm using the MAC Melba blush. Don't want to use anything too over the top because I want to keep the attention on the eyes, and that's like a really neutral color. Next I was using the Mecca Set for Life setting spray or something like that. I think that's what it's called. And highlighter, Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive is literally the bomb. Seriously, love it. I've hit pan. Need to order a new one soon because I use it constantly. It is a mini. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not, so definitely getting the large one. And also highlighting my nose, the tip of my nose, the inner corner of my eyes, and just, anywhere just to add a glow because who doesn't like highlighter? Next up, I'm just using the Jordana lip liner in the color Loco Coco or Coco Loco, something like that. Then I'm using the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, which I did find a little too dark for the looks, so just later on you will see I'll add a little bit of concealer just to lighten it up, which tops it off. And that, my dear friends, is the whole look. I did add a little too much concealer, but hey, we make it work. But yeah, tell me what you think. So that is the final look. Yeah, I actually really like it. I actually don't like the color yellow, hence I'm wearing a mustard shirt. But I'm trying to like get out of my comfort zone with colors, so this is like my first bold color. I strictly just use the Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette for this whole eye look. This is a really good palette. I know there's so much like controversial stuff about her and her lipsticks, meh. But we're talking about like Morphe as a product, and I do recommend them. They do have other palettes and whatnot, so, and they're really affordable. I paid 58 Australian dollars, like it's bigger than my face. And you've got like every color that you need, seriously. Except for white. It doesn't have white. That's fine. But yeah, I really am enjoying this makeup look. My skin is doing much better from the previous video, which was roughly a week ago. Been using a product, it's life-changing on my skin because, as you could tell from the beginning, it was, you know, pretty shit. So yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, like, you know, doing different colors, doing like reviews of products and whatnot, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. I'll leave all my social media down below or on the screen so you can follow or check it out, whatnot. But yeah, my 2020 resolution is to upload at least once a week. I'm a mum of 2, so it gets a little bit hard. I do work as well. I do have a job, so it does get a little bit difficult to try and film a bit more consistently. Hence the voiceover, because I've got like the TV on and whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.